for addition, a rather simple matter of putting something and another and combining them together. Then there's B, that's BODMAS, the orders of operation. Tell us to work brackets first to avoid all of the confusion. Calculus is the maths of rates of changes on graphs. Both Liebnitz and Newton, they're having such a laugh. Differentiation, reverse integration for the slope on the beautiful curve. No, we're not bitter nor sweet, and we ain't just like the Verve. E is a constant about 2.7 derived from taking limits. Used by banks in compound interest and ease calculus a bit. F is next, it is for fractals, a never-ending pattern. It is where maths meet beauties of art and blows minds of the others. Google's the number, a massive figure of 100 zeros following one. That many number of atoms makes trillions of our sun. Hypotenuse is the term we used in right angle triangles. For length, it's the longest, no need to take the gamble. I, imaginary, a figure we can't comprehend, like square root of a negative number and even my girlfriend. J up next, it is for the best mathematician on the net. It's James Grimes, banana time, great man, or at least I guess. K for a kilo, a Greek prefix that simply means 1,000, kilometre or a kilogram, or heavier, a kiloton. L is for blocks of wood, otherwise it's known as logs, or it can show the powers raised on a number to avoid such fraud. Means, medians, modes, they're simply all just average, but is also the backbone to the study of statistics. N is for numbers, metaphoric keys of life. It's big and small and may give us a fright. Obtuse angles are bigger than a right, but smaller than a straight angle, and it won't stab you at night. Pi, a number valued at 3.14, a ratio between circumference and diameter. Quadratics are equations with an x raised to the 2, and luckily we can solve it with a formula learnt in school. Radians, an alternative to angles in degrees. A round, a circle, it's 2 pi, we agreed. Statistics, the tricks of analyzing data. In science or businesses, it makes life that much better. Trigonometry, maths of three-sided shapes, the angles and lengths and the ratios we made. U's are unit circles, they all have radius 1. Demonstrates these ratios and making them more fun. V for vectors shows sizes and direction. In physics and maths, it has its own notations. W, our work, when force displaces a matter. In algebra, it equals fs times cosine theta. X and Y, axes on Cartesian planes. It allows coordinates to avoid the massive pain. Z is last, it's nothing or known as zero. It gives numbers position notations though worthless when alone. Now we've covered the A to C's of terms that's in the math bland. Put it in your life so it wouldn't be so bland. I rap too much and now I'm thirsty and now I need a glass of water. We have to call it a day sometime for this rap to finally be over.